Hi, my name is Tabitha, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own up-inspired mailbox. My boyfriend and I are planning our wedding, and it's going to be an up-inspired wedding. And I thought, why not make a mailbox that matches with that theme? In this video, my first DIY video, I'm going to show you how you can also make your own mailbox. I already bought one online on marktplaats.nl, a second-hand online platform, and I'll show you how you can transform a similar mailbox into the white with handwritten letters mailbox from Carl and Ellie from the movie Up. So I went to the store, the Gamma, the Dutch construction market, and to the Action, a Dutch low budget store, and I bought some supplies that I'm going to use for this project. On the side of the mailbox there's a flag, a red flag, and I'm going to get this black pin out in order to remove the flag, paint the mailbox white, and then put the pin back and the flag back. The flag is removed and there's also quite a lot of rust on the mailbox in the sides. So first step is to try to remove all the rust. Okay, the sticker is removed. I called my brother to ask what I should do next. He's a lot better with these things than I am. And he told me to first do the rust parts with this sandpaper, and then this is especially for metal, which is a bit finer, the whole mailbox, and then using this rust converter from the Action to clean the whole, to clean the mailbox. So the paint has dried, the mailbox is now all white, and it looks pretty good, I think. And it's now time for making the hands and the letters. And I thought about what is the best method to do this. And first I thought I'm going to paint it, just like in the Up movie. But the special metal paint that I used for the white doesn't come in the colors red, green and purple that is in the Up movie. So painting wasn't really an option, so I decided to do it differently and to make stickers of the letters using a font that looks like the Carl and Ellie mailbox, and of scanning my hands, painting first my hands, making a print of it, scanning it into the computer and making a sticker out of it. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I've made a scan of both my hand and that of my boyfriend Rick, and I now want to make the hands at the right size and color to make them into stickers that we can put on the Carl and Ellie mailbox. But in order to get the right size, I draw on the paper a line of 10 centimeters exact. So I know that this has to be 10 centimeters also here in PowerPoint in order for the hand to be the exact same size as it is in real life. So I made this line, and this is 10 centimeters, as you can see here. And now I'm going to enlarge the image to make it just the line that I draw and the 10 centimeters in PowerPoint equally big. So let's enlarge it in order to see whether it's correct. See this? Oh, the red line is a little bit bigger, so now the line from the scan and the line from PowerPoint are both 10 centimeters, which means that this hand, the size of the hand is now the correct size as it should be. So now that we have done this, I can now crop the image. It's also good to note that my hand is my right hand and Rick's hand, Carl in the Up movie, is his left hand. As you can see here in the image, it's Ellie's her right hand and Carl his left hand, so be aware of that. Okay, but I want different colors. I made it in black, so the contrast shows between white and black, but I want it to be in red and in purple, as in the movie. And we can easily do this in PowerPoint. Going to Images and then Color, and here you can change the color, and the colors that you can see here depend on the colors from your design. If the colors are not the colors that you want them to be, you can go like this and adjust colors, and you choose the colors that you want it to be. I already made the correct colors. You can change it here. Move the color code you can put in here to get the right color. So this is the purple also from the font that I used, and this is the red also from the red font, so that it's similar. Okay, so this hand is my hand, so this needs to be red. And this hand is Rick's hand, so it needs to be purple. There are some lines here that didn't go that well with scanning, so I'm going to remove the background just in case. It's not necessary, but just extra. The stripes are now gone. So now we need to make this into the right position. You can play with it a bit, and once you're happy with it, you can save the PowerPoint as an image. You can save this one as image or as a PDF file in order to make it into stickers. So I found this website, drukwerkdeal.nl, which makes weather resistant stickers, and I'm going to order these. I want them for all materials usable, long during appliance, square, this type. This finish will make them go last longer. Size 23, 2. And then again for the letters. So I applied all the right settings to the designs in order to make the weather resistant stickers. It's a bit more expensive than I thought or hoped, but let's do it and let's see how the stickers turn out. I'm pretty excited because the stickers I ordered have arrived, and I'm going to open them and see how it has turned out. So the mailbox is finished and I'm pretty happy with the end result. This is the one side and this is the other side with the flag. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, that it inspired you, and if you're going to decide to make your own Carl and Ellie inspired mailbox, don't hesitate to send me a photo or a video of the end result. Thank you for watching and see you next time.